Hello viewers, I am Ron. Welcome to my channel PSC Exam Prep. Today we are going to discuss 20 GK questions relating to civics. But before getting to it, please do subscribe to my channel. Well, moving on to the questions. The first question is, who served as the Chief Election Commissioner of India for the longest period? The answer is KVK Sundaram. He is the longest. Next question, which article of the Constitution is related to the State Election Commission? The article is 243K. The answer is 243K. Next question. In which year the first election to Central Legislative Assembly was held in British India? The answer is 1920. 1920. Next question. The method of election of Indian President has been copied from. The country is Ireland. The answer is Ireland. Next question. Who decides on the holding of elections to panchayats? I repeat the question. Who decides on the holding of elections to the panchayat? The answer is state government. I repeat the answer. The answer is state government. Moving on to the next question. A political party is recognized national or regional by? The answer is Election Commission. It recognizes whether a political party is national or state. The answer is Election Commission. Moving on to the next question. The maximum age limit for election to the office of President or Vice President of India. There is no such limit. The answer is no limit. The answer is no limit. Moving on to the next question. In which year election to Constituent Assembly was held? Constituent Assembly is during British rule. Okay. The year is 1946. The year is 1946. Moving on to the next question. The total number of electors, including MPs and MLAs, for the presidential election. The answer is 4896. That is 4896. Next question. From which country India adopted the procedure of election of members to the upper house of the parliament? The answer is South Africa. I repeat the answer. The answer is South Africa. Moving on to the next question. For contesting in a panchayat election, a candidate has to attain the age of dash years. The answer is 21 years. Moving on to the next question. Disputes regarding the election of president and vice president are settled by? Means dispute relating to them. Who settles them? The answer is Supreme Court. Only Supreme Court can settle the disputes regarding election of president and vice president in India. The next question is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India. The first Chief Election Commissioner of India. The answer is Sukumar Sen. I repeat the answer. The answer is Sukumar Sen. Well, moving on to the next question. Elections to fill the vacancy in presidential office due to death or resignation have to be held not less than dash months from the occurrence of vacancy. The answer is 6 months. I repeat the answer. The answer is 6 months. Moving on to the next question. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the election? Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the elections? The answer is 15th part. 15th part of the Indian Constitution deals with the elections. Moving on to the next question. The administrative reform that introduced the element of direct election in the Indian political scenario. The answer is Indian Council Act of 1909. Moving on to the next question. The minimum age required to vote in Lok Sabha elections. I repeat the question. The minimum age required to vote in Lok Sabha election. The answer is simple. 18 years. It's 18 years old. If you are 18 years old, you can vote in India. Next question. The power to superintend, direct and control elections to the panchayat is vested in the? The answer is State Election Commission. I repeat the answer. The answer is State Election Commission. Moving on to the next question. The reform which indirectly introduced the element of election. Not the Indian Council Act 1909, that's direct. Indirect one is Indian Council Act 1892. The answer is Indian Council Act 1892. Moving on to the next question and the last question. The minimum age required to vote in this election or of Legislative Assembly. The answer is 18 years old. If you are 18 years old, you can vote for any election in India. Okay, that's all for now. So if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.